Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter called as surface areas and volumes. Alright, there are many geometrical figures we are going to come across in this chapter, but primarily to start with, today I am going to explain to you detailedly about cube and cuboid and problems related to cube and cuboid in detail. Alright, so what is a cube? See, cube is a three-dimensional object. Now how do I draw a cube? See, this is how I will draw this cube, right? And what are the properties of cube? Cube has got 6 faces, alright. Now you must be able to visualize what a cube looks like. And this is called as edge, right? This is called as face. This is called as face. This is called as edge. The intersection of two faces is an edge, right? This is a side. Alright. Now, how many faces a cube has got? This is a cube. A cube has got 6 faces. If you take together 6 faces, and if you take in one direction, means if you take in this direction, horizontal direction. If you take in horizontal direction, 6 minus the top one, 6 minus the bottom one. So 6 minus 2, you will have 4 faces. That you should keep it in mind. So definitely, when it is a physical object, it has to has area and it will also have volume. Now when I speak of the area, there are 2 kinds of area which we are going to come across or deal. One is a lateral surface area and another one is total surface area. Total surface area is nothing but the area of the all faces put together. How many faces are there? 6 faces, and each face of a cube is of the form square. See, square is a 2-dimensional thing, whereas cube is a 3-dimensional thing. Alright, so 6 areas if I add, what I'll get is the total surface area of a cube. And if I take area in one direction, then I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am going to have 4 faces. So let me write the formula to you. The lateral surface area of a cube is given as, see what is the area of, let us say, if A is the side, everywhere the sides are equal because it is a square, right? So area of a square is what? A into A square. And because laterally you have got 4 faces, the lateral surface area of cube is 4A square. Similarly, the total surface area, I call that as TSA, is equal to 6 times A square, or it is 6A square. Now this is the area part, and if I deal with the volume of the cube is given by the formula A into A into A, which is equal to what? A cube. So please fix this in your mind. You have to by heart this formula because you will come across the problems. The next geometrical figure we are going to deal is a cuboid, right? I am sure you must have seen a brick. A brick is of the shape cuboid, is it not? So to make you understand, I am drawing, see, it's a joke actually. You are planning to draw a 3D object on a 2D plane. This plane is a 2D plane. It has got one dimension, only this direction. On that we are trying to draw and show our skills and show that it is a 3D object. Alright, anyhow. So this is a cube, a cuboid. Now cuboid will have 3 dimensions. The cube will have only one dimension. All of them are equal. Alright, cuboid will have 3 dimensions. One is a length dimension, length. This is the breadth dimension, breadth, I call that as B, and this is the height dimension, I call that as height. There are length, breadth and height, whereas in the cube only one side will be there, all sides are equal. So here the 3 dimensions are length, breadth and height. Now if I speak about the lateral surface area, now when I say of the lateral surface area, when you see like this in one direction, you can see there is one rectangle this side, another rectangle this side. So for this rectangle, what is the area formula? Length into breadth, but instead of breadth you have height, LH. And that side also you have got one more rectangle. So it is 2 times L into H plus this direction, right? This direction, this plane across. Again this is B H. That side also you have BH. So 2 times B into H. And if you really take something common, right, H is common, and you will get the formula which is given in the textbook, 2H into L plus B. This is the formula you will apply to calculate the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now if I ask you what is the formula to calculate the total surface area of a cuboid, the moment I said total surface area, how many faces you are going to get? 6 faces, right? 4 rectangular faces and 2, see, all of them are rectangular faces. Now you have to identify the face. This is face 1, face 2. So it is 2 times LB, right? L into B, top, bottom also L into B. So 1 LB plus LB is 2 times LB plus 2 times. This is L into H plus 2 times B into H, 2 sides, no, 2 times B into H. And if you take common 2, you will get 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Alright, so this one I am writing here. So this is nothing but the formula to calculate the total surface area of the cuboid. And if I ask you to find the volume, the formula for volume is length into breadth into height. Alright. See, when you are dealing with area, area will be always square units. Even this is also area. Area will be always square units. But when dealing with volume, volume will be cubic units. Right? Cubic units. Why I am writing cubic units? Tomorrow if it is meter given to you, then it is cubic meter or meter cube. If I give you meter as a length, then the area will be square meter or meter square, right? So what is important is you must always remember the unit. This will be square units and this will be cubic units. Similarly here also, this will be square units and this will be cubic units. Right? So I am sure you are thorough and clear with the structure and the formula. Now I want you to take the screenshot or pause the video, and then we will move out for the simple questions based on this formula. Alright, so you can pause the video. Children, find the lateral surface area and total surface area for the following figures. Alright, now because cube is given to you and this is a cuboid. Right, and how do we apply? See, these are the dimensions given to you. This is all sides are equal. So lateral surface area or cube is 4 into a cube. So it is a 4 into 4 cube because side is a. So what is the 4 cube? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 into 4, and this comes to 4 4s are 16, 1 carry 256. Similarly, if I ask you total surface area of this cube, formula for total surface area is what? 6a cube. So 6 times 4 cube. So it is 6 times 64. And 6 4s are 24, 4 2 carry. 6 is a 36, 37, 38, 384. Now because it is given to you as centimeter, if you don't write centimeter square, it's a crime, right? You mention this is a centimeter square. Now what about this? Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is equal to 2h into L plus B. 2 into what is h value? Height is 5. L plus B. 2 5s are 10. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 10 into 14 is 140 centimeter square. Now if I deal with total surface area, what is the formula for total surface area? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So it is 2 into LB. LB means what? This is length and this is breadth. 6 into 8 plus BH, breadth into height. Height is 5 centimeters. So 8 into 5 plus HL. HL is 5 into 6. Alright, brackets close. So it is 2 into 6 8s are 48. 8 5s are 40, 6 5s are 30. So it is 2 into 40 plus 30, 70. 70 plus 48 is equal to 118. Now if I multiply 2 with 118, it is 236. 236 what? Centimeters square. Believe me, you are dealing with area. So areas you have to always mention square units. So it was a very simple problem for you to understand. You can pause the video and try to do the problem without looking at the video. Alright. So meanwhile you pause the video, we will go for the next question. Okay? Yeah. The total surface area of a cube is 1350 square meters. Find its volume. See, now this is a trick here. He has not provided you the side. He has given you the total surface area. So with that total surface area, we'll try to get back this side. Once you get the side of a cube, finding the volume is a very easy task. So I will say let A or X, anything, A be the side of a cube. Now, what is given to you? Given total surface area is equal to 1350. Now, what is the formula for total surface area? 6a cube is equal to 1350. Now, I will get a cube. What is a cube is equal to 1350 divided by 6. Alright. Now, if you divide by 6, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry. 6 2s are 12. Out of 15, 12 goes 3 carry. 6 5s are 13. So you got a cube is equal to 225. Now if a cube is equal to 225, then what is the value of a? Now you must write this into factors. Alright. Now how do I write? 225. I'll divide by 5. 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 5 9s are 45. And then what do you have? The formula is not 6a cube, 6a square. Alright. 6a square. So now it is 3 into 3. So a square is equal to 225. A is equal to square root of what is 225? It is 5 square and it is 3 square. So a is equal to what is square root of 5 square? 5. And what is square root of 3 square? 9. Sorry, 3 square is 3. So what is a is equal to 5 3s are 15 meters. Now once you have got the side, once you have got this side of a cube, you are supposed to find the volume. What is the formula to calculate the volume of cube? Volume of cube is what? Simply a cube, and a cube is equal to 15 whole cube. Now what is 15 whole cube? 15 into 15 into 15. What is 15? 15s are 225, followed by again multiplied by 15. 15 5s are 75, 5 7 carry, 15 2s are 30 plus 7 37, 7 3 carry, 15 2s are 30 plus 3 33, 3 3 7 5. So my dear children, if you write till here, he won't give you full marks. You have to write meter cube. So the volume of cube is 3375 meter cube, right? The side is not given to you. With the square, with the total surface area given, you have obtained the side. Once you know the side, you have applied the formula for volume. Now in the next question, find the area of the four walls of a room if its length, breadth and height is given. So there is a room, try to imagine, right? For this room, you are supposed to find the areas of the four walls. Means indirectly is asking you to find the lateral surface area, right? I will say area of four walls is equal to lateral surface area. And what is lateral surface area formula? 2h into L plus B. Now what is length given to you? Length is equal to 12, breadth is equal to 10, and what is height is equal to 7.5. So let us apply 2 times 7.5 into L plus B. L plus B is how much? 12 plus 10. So 7.5 into 2 will be 15. 12 plus 10 will be 22. 15 2s are 30, 0. 3 carry, 15 2s are 30 plus 3, 33. 330 is the area of four walls. Means area means it is meter square. Now here one thing you have to note down, that we are going to find the areas of the four walls, assuming that the four walls have no windows and no doors. We are assuming that and we are doing. So the area will be equal to 330 meter square. So like that, if you are perfect with the formula, it is very easy to score in this particular chapter. So all you need to do is practice and by heart the formulas. Meanwhile, take care and keep liking the video. Bye bye.